In this aid, we will voice our genuinely own and market's perspective on Numeraire future while examining Numeraire cost conjecture for 2022 and past in an unpretentious manner. If it's not too much trouble, really remember that you ought to think about this and any really other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything for the most part is an unpleasant undertaking, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Numeraire. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive pretty profound into the Numeraire value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that Numeraire fundamentally is a wise venture or not, for what reason will Numeraire succeed or sort of fall flat, or for what reason will Numeraire value rise or drop, we should rapidly really toss a look at what most certainly is Numeraire and its to-date history. Numeraire price prediction for the very next 90 days, which is very critical. The extremely entire crypto world in every way that really matters, is on an edge of an undeniable explicitly bear market. Bitcoin has sort of drooped half from its unequaled high in the midst of the more extensive market truly drops affected by seething expansion and US Fed rate increments. Financial backers generally are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional kind of stable business sectors, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Crypto by and large is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the kind of second piece of the year in a genuinely significant manner. This is in every practical sense, reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin explicitly needs to really find a by and large nearby base before we can move in the kind of inverse bearing and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to basically do likewise. We essentially have seen this situation many times in the separated and for the most part later history, which is very critical. Our cost expectation model by and large is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We in every practical sense, expect whales and other greater players in the market to truly wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike amazingly. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and basic evaluation of each task. Essentials that we fundamentally assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical truly potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab, or so they truly thought. Numeraire price prediction 2022. Most of specialists basically concur that this bear market will endure it in every practical sense, least for the principal quarter of 2022 preceding. We certainly see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds appropriately, which is genuinely huge. Beneath sort of is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October minus 23.52%, $13.33 incredibly. 2022 November minus 41.80%, $10.15. 2022 December minus 30.14%, $12.18. 2023 Jan minus 23.25%, $13.38. 2023 February minus 18.91%, $14.13. 2023 Mar minus 9.66%, $15.75, or so they thought. 2023 April minus 2.34%, $17.02. 2023 May plus 4.45%, $18.21. 2023 June plus 3.46%, $18.04 in every practical sense, significant way. 2023 July plus 8.02%, $18.83. 2023 August plus 20.82%, $21.06. 2023 September plus 26.00%, $21.96. Which is genuinely huge. Numeraire price prediction 2025, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Our forecast model sees Numeraire coming to $41.40 in 2025. What will Numeraire be worth in 5 years? The cost of Numeraire in 5 years could lie around $33.60. Numeraire price prediction 2030 to 2040. What Numeraire will fundamentally be worth in 2030 in a significant manner. Our gauging model sees Numeraire coming to $103.50 in 2030. What Numeraire will truly be worth in 2040, which truly is very huge. Our determining model sees Numeraire coming to $207 in 2040, which is very huge. Will Numeraire supplant/outperform/overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Numeraire won't supplant or overwhelm BTC, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Could Numeraire at any point reach $100? Indeed, Numeraire could generally reach $100 toward 2022 in a sort of enormous manner's end. Could Numeraire at any point essentially reach $1,000 in a significant manner? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Numeraire to generally reach $1,000 in the short or midterm period, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Is Numeraire for the most part worth purchasing? We truly are supporters of respectably dangerous money management, in every practical sense. Contribute the vast majority of actually your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a crate of most certainly large cap coins and the rest in little undertakings with tremendous potential gain, which basically is very huge. Along these lines, in this specific situation, Numeraire truly merits purchasing, which is genuinely huge. Is Numeraire a wise venture? Numeraire is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, a dangerous speculation. It has essentially higher likelihood of going up than down as a result of the genuinely great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a truly strong group behind it. How especially will Numeraire essentially be worth, which is genuinely huge. For the transient future, it could reach $10.15. In the especially long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $103.50 or considerably higher, or so they thought. For what reason will Numeraire succeed and explicitly become more expensive, which generally is very critical? Numeraire by and large has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a really strong group behind it, which truly is genuinely critical. These generally are an essential for progress and to that end our expectation model sees Numeraire ascending to $103.50 in 2030, in spite of prevalent thinking. For what reason will Numeraire